Sorry, I had a text.
You can go.
So this is our knee model. Won't be surprising that you see that. Just like students covered in bone presentations today, you've got tendon of the quadriceps femoris, which goes from all four of those quadriceps muscles to the patella, which is exposed under here. Okay. And then below that, connecting bone to bone, patella to tibial tuberosity, is the patellar ligament. Okay, so tendon up here, ligament down here, even though they look exactly the same.
And that's because this one. What's the difference between a tendon and a ligament?
Tendons connect muscle to bone,
Okay.
and ligaments connect bone to bone.
Okay.
That's the simplest breakdown.
Okay.
Alright, so then we're going to disconnect this, kind of like knee surgery here, and got a chance to see, so femur up here, tibia down here. What we're going to be concerned with is all of the connective tissues and the smooth surfaces. So on, let's see, let's get some orientation. Over on this side is the tibia, this side is the fibula, which means this is medial and this is lateral, right? So the medial meniscus, pull this down, is this cup-like thing that supports and stabilizes the medial condyle of the femur so that it articulates with the medial condyle of the tibia. Lateral meniscus, that one, supports and stabilizes lateral condyle of femur so that it articulates with lateral condyle of tibia.
The anterior and posterior cruciate stuff.
Oh, articular cartilage. So both the condyles of the femur and the tibia are covered in articular cartilage, which is very smooth. It reduces the amount of friction or the amount of grinding so that the motion of that articulation is smooth. Okay? Alright. Then what I've stretched out here is our anterior cruciate ligament, or ACL, and posterior side we've got posterior cruciate ligament, or PCL. Okay? So those are the ligaments that we're concerned with inside the knee. On the outside, for lateral stabilization, both ligaments, they're collateral ligaments. They're both going to start on the femur and go down to one of two bones, and they're named for the bone they connect to. So the fibular collateral ligament goes from femur to fibula. The tibial collateral ligament from femur to tibia.
So, what are the names again? So, the tibial collateral?
Tibial collateral ligament goes from the femur to the tibia, and the fibular collateral ligament is going to be on the lateral side, and it goes from